So we got another freebie today. This one is a MTD Pro brand. It's with a Honda engine. They were getting rid of it because it doesn't run, didn't know what to do with it. So just to save some time, I've already tried to start it. It doesn't want to start, which could be a fuel problem. The other thing is that, you know, I do my normal thing where I spray in starter fluid and all that, and it does fire. So spark's good, air's good, timing, yada yada. The thing that it does though is it blows a ton of oil out the exhaust. It's a fairly new mower, so I wouldn't think that the rings are really that worn. So I pulled out the oil dipstick, and it's got very, very clean oil in it. It's like brand new. I can't even really see it, but it's way overfilled. So what I'm going to do first is we're going to drain out this oil at least enough to get it to the right level. Then we'll try to start it again. It's got a brand new spark plug in it. This one could be as simple as just having too much oil in it. Maybe it doesn't want to start because it's too much oil. Hey, so I thought I was done with doing mowers for the season, but when this one popped up, there was one more I knew I needed to try. It was a little bit different from all the other fuel problems we had, so I thought it'd be good to do it and everyone can see a different kind of problem and how to resolve it. So now that this one's fixed, I think we're really done.